Welcome to Wallow Cam Moments, July 2025. That's better, I can see you now. July has been hot at times, with a high of 30 degrees, maybe 31, and there's been a fair bit of rainfall towards the middle and end. So much so, the brown, crispy grass has actually turned into a green, succulent, rich colour, much to Willow's approval. There has been an abundance of blue and great tit fledglings, and we are still being visited by our African friends, chiffchaffs, willow warblers, whitethroats, blackcaps. In this episode we also see blackbirds are still very competitive. We have a couple of juvenile robins, one from a first brood. You notice the red starting to emerge on its breast, and one from a second brood, still very much first stage plumage. Scruffy robin is still here. It has obviously had a very uncomfortable time incubating and brooding their young with several feathers out of place. A bit like waking up to your hair standing on end after laying on it wrong during lumber and having to dampen it down when you get up. The molt is just around the corner and Scruffy robin will soon look as good as new. We have our native roe deer and exotic munkjack, the male of which, having shed their old antlers, are pushing through with new ones, albeit still covered in velvet. A party of badgers come bumbling through. Greenfinches are in good numbers, which is great to see. Only a few years ago they were few and far between. They appear to have recovered well, with strong numbers at least for now, which is great to see. That's enough from me, let's get to it. pigeons are always maligned, but they are a truly beautiful bird. Velvet antler is the whole cartilaginous antler in a precalcified growth stage, the stage before the antler hardens into bone, the stage also known as hard antler.